Hello friends. I am Varul and you are watching Switch Case Learners. So guys, from today's video we are going to start a new series to learn the Java programming language. In this series, we will start from the very basics and will learn core Java, JDBC, Servlets and many more. So let's begin. First of all, let's see what is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language that was developed by James Gosling in 1995. Initially, its name was Oak, but later on, its name changed to Java. Since the Oak was already registered, James Gosling and his team decided to change the name, and the name was derived from the famous coffee beans known as Java. That's why the Java logo is a cup of coffee. Now moving forward and see some features of Java. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is very simple, clean and easy to understand. Java is platform independent because it can be run on any platform or operating system. Java is known for its security. Java is secure because there are no explicit pointers in Java, and Java programs run inside a virtual machine. Java supports multithreading. I will make a separate video to explain the concept of multithreading. Next is, Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of classes. It means Java classes are loaded on demand. Last but not least, Java is architecture neutral because there are no implementation-dependent features. For example, the size of primitive data types in Java are fixed for both 32 bits and 64 bits architecture. Now, let us see some applications of Java. Java is a widely used programming language, and it can be used to develop desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, mobile apps, embedded system, robotics, games and many more. So guys, in the next video, I will show you how to download and install Java on your PC or laptop. And we will run a Java program using the command prompt. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.